Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. USD CAD refreshes 7-month lows below 1.3150 ahead of Canadian CPI at ntvforex.com. News ID 2A57063. 3 minutes ago by Dwani Mehta. USD CAD drops further on renewed US dollar selling. Losses in WTI fails to rescue the bulls amid risk-off mood. All eyes on Canadian CPI and FOMC minutes. The selling pressure around the USD CAD pair remains unabated, as the rates renew 7-month lows below 1.3150 in the European session. The latest leg down in the spot is mainly driven by a fresh bout of selling seen in the US dollar across its main competitors, prompting the greenback to stall its recovery momentum from 26-month lows. The extension of the weakness in the U.S. Treasury yields across the curve continues to exert downward pressure on the buck despite the optimism over the U.S. fiscal stimulus. Falling U.S. yields imply that the economic recovery remains in the doldrum while the election risks pick up. Meanwhile, the resource-linked Canadian dollar stands resilient to the losses in WTI, collaborating with USD CAD's downside. Broad risk aversion knock off the higher-yielding oil, as markets ignore the unexpected draw in the U.S. weekly crude stockpiles data published by the American Petroleum Institute (API) late Tuesday. The pair remains vulnerable ahead of the Canadian CPI release and the FOMC minutes due later in the NA session. Dovish FOMC minutes could exacerbate the pain the dollar, intensifying the selling pressure in the major. USD CAD technical levels. Considering the break of key supports, the quote is likely to extend the downside towards 1.3100 round figures as immediate rest point before attacking 1.3050 level comprising 61.8% of NBSP Fibonacci NBSP retracement. On the flip side, June month low near 1.3315 can entertain the buyers during the pair's pullback, if any, a break of which will escalate the recoveries to an upward sloping trend line from September 2017. At 1.3420 now. And Forex's analyst Anil Panchal explained. USD CAD additional levels. USD CAD overview today. Last price 1.3147 today. Daily change 0.0021 today. Daily change percent 0.16 today. Daily open 1.3168 NBSP trends. Daily SMA 20 1.3329 daily SMA 50 1.3476 daily SMA 100 1.3707 daily SMA 200 1.3532 NBSP levels. Previous daily high 1.3232 previous daily low 1.3152 previous weekly high 1.3395 previous weekly low 1.3192 previous monthly high 1.3646 previous monthly low 1.3331 daily Fibonacci 38.2% 1.3182 daily Fibonacci 61.8% 1.3201 daily pivot point S1 1.3136 daily pivot point S2 1.3104 daily pivot point S3 1.3056 daily pivot point R1 1.3216 daily pivot point R2 1.3264 daily pivot point R3 1.3296 NBSP. Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.